So today I'm going to show you how to format text on WhatsApp, like how to bold in your text, how to italics your text, and how to strike through your text. They are very simple commands you can do. So first of all, to like bold in a text, what you just have to do is look for the star sign, then you write that first, then you write whatever word. So let's write bold, then you press the star sign and you see the word is bolding. What is body? Let us do that again. So let me write Ronaldo, then star. That word is bolding. So to italize your word, that is very simple. You just have to look for the underscore sign. You press, you click the underscore sign, then you write, let us write Messi. Then you underscore again. You can see the word is italized. Let us do that once more. You do this, then you write Kaka, then underscore. So why for if you want to strike through, you want to write a word but you want to strike through it, what you just have to do is you look for this sign, this wobbling sign, then you write whatever word you want to write. Let us write Giroud. Then after that, type this. You can see. Let us do that once more. Let us write Barcelona. Okay. First you have to click on the sign, then you write the word Barcelona. Then you can see. That's it. Very simple, nothing so complex. That's how to format your words on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.